So you're going on a listing presentation, and because you've pre-qualified the client properly, you know that you're going to be competing with 2 or 3 other agents. So then the question becomes, should I go in first? Should I go in last? Where do I go in? Let me answer that question for you on both sides of the fence. So if you said you wanted to go in first, that means that you need to be a good closer. You need to be able to make sure you look them in the eye and say, are you folks ready to go ahead now that you've seen my presentation? So don't hesitate to close on the spot. Don't wait until a bunch of other people come in. That's when you go in first, okay? Now, if you say, no, you know what, I'm not that strong at closing, I think I'd better go in last. Okay, then set it up so that you go in last. Here's the challenge though, and I know you're already with me on this. The challenge is, what if somebody comes in ahead of me that's a good closer and gets the signature and I'm left out in the field? Okay, so here's what you have to say to them if you're going to go in last. You know, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, because my advanced marketing techniques are quite different than what you're going to see from other agents, we're probably best for me to come in at the end so you'll have seen everything and then you'll see what's different. Does that make sense? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, great. So I'll see you on Friday at 3. Is that okay? Yep, that's perfect. Oh, one more thing. So this is where you insert your protection. One more thing, Mrs. Jones. You're not one of those people that gets talked into signing something before you're ready, are you? See the body language there? You're not one of those people that gets talked into signing something before you're ready, are you? And she'll say, no, of course not. You say, can I tell you why I ask? Yeah, sure, what? You see, Mrs. Jones, typically some of the other agents are going to ask you to sign a contract when they present. And you won't even have had a chance to look at my advanced marketing techniques. So do yourself a favor, do us both a favor for that matter, because I know I'm going to be able to help you. Make sure that you don't sign anything until I come in. Does that make sense? Yeah, I guess so. Great. So if someone asks you to sign, just say, no, I have more people to interview, and just do it that way. So I'll see you Friday at 3. I'm excited about what I'm going to be able to show you, and I'm really excited about how our marketing is going to be able to get you the most money for your house. See you then. Okay, there's your technique. If you're going to go in first, be a strong closer. If you think you want to go in last, then make sure you put that disclaimer in there so she doesn't get talked into signing something. Okay, there's the technique. You decide where you're going to go in. Now you know how to handle both ends of it. I'm Bruce Keith. Be sure to check out our coaching if you're interested in even learning more and how can I get to myself to a whole new level, because that's what we do. Check it out on our website, and guess what? You'll be pleased just like so many other people are. Talk to you soon.